You fellas are like the engine room, eh?
We are called the A team, the aunties. And our mahi involves most of the cooking prep and making sure they're getting fed very well.
And what does that mean for huirangi?
I've been wanting to crack up but I'm just like holding it. Okay. Oh, it's about to burst.
I was thinking, Irish.
Yes. Going, oh, this is super fishing going on here. I'm just like, I'm about to go.
It is day 2 and today we've just been laying down instruments and doing a guide recording for the Tira so they can follow.
Ko te whainga matu o tēnei wānanga, ko te hopu i ngā reo, whakatutuki anō hoki i ngā mahi whakatangitangi, kia tutuki te waho ki ngā rekoatanga.
Hey guys, I'm Dan. I'm helping produce some of the tracks for Kaho. We wrote these songs, the 2 songs that I'm producing, together at a camp last year, a riding camp, and I'm so stoked with how they're kind of coming together. We're going for a bit more of an organic sound than the demos kind of were, which is awesome, a bit kind of gospel-y, which is sick. And so, you know, things like the piano and the organ like really help with that, and the live drums. I think that, you know, with recording, it's all about capturing that magic kind of moment.
It's day 3 and the whole Tira has arrived and we're about to go downstairs and have a koutou and then start recording.
How's it going?
Saying the bass too high. So it was Zan and Riley over here on these 2.
Oh, I'm feeling, you know, quite settled.
Feeling kind of, what's it called, impatient really, because I just want to get into it. And I know everyone else is feeling the same.
Ko te tino rereke o tēnei mahi, ki te whakāturanga ātinana nei pia. I konei, kare he whakaminenga ai mātikataki i a koe, nā reira ko koe kei te kuhu i a koe anō, kia eke koe ki tētahi taumata. Nā reira, me rereke te whakaaro, me taumata tonu te whakaaro, aha kua kāre he tangata kei mui te aroaro. Hei whakangahau atu, me whakatipu i a koe te wairua whakangahau.
This is the last ever that you're gonna do this.
That was it. Great job, team. Good job. Yeah, they killed it.
Yeah?
Sounded beautiful. Yeah, big, energetic, full, and tight in time, and sounding great. Love it.
We just had our first ever full run through of 2 waiata, Close to You and 35. Oh, it was so fun! Oh, I feel so proud of me because I did a voice crack on the last one. Like, this morning was cool as getting to kick off the show with 35 and Closer. It was cool having everyone there.
Yeah, for us too, we had the experience of being with the Rōhu Rangatira up in Auckland and going through their process, being shown what to do, just given that opportunity to be in a studio and now that it's handed down to the Tina as well as me and Huirangi, yeah, it's pretty good.
When you got great grandchildren and they listen to this album, they're going to be listening to these moments. One tira, one reo.